When working with relational database management systems, we work with databases and tables inside of them. Databases and tables need to be created. To create a database for MySQL, first make sure that MySQL is installed and running on your system. Then open up the command line MySQL Workbench, phpMyAdmin, or any other database client you use to connect and interact with MySQL, and log into MySQL Server with the user of your choice. This is a local instance, so my user is root without a password. Yours will have a password. To create a database, use the create database command. The command is case insensitive, so it can contain uppercase and lowercase characters. Specify create database and then your database name. The name of your database should not contain spaces, but can contain underscores. To check if your database is there, issue show databases and glance at the list. To switch and begin working with a database, we use the use SQL query. A query like use and then your database name will tell your database that you want to work with a database of your choice. Sometimes when creating a database you need to specify additional options. If you want to check whether a database exists before creating it, you can use if not exists. Doing so will help you avoid errors. To set a character set or a collation for a database, specify one or both of them. A character set and a collation helps your database understand how to store, compare and sort data, in the sense that a character set defines the set of symbols of characters that can be stored in a column, database or table, and a collation specifies how characters are compared and sorted within a character set. Keep in mind that if you want to set a character set or a collation for your database, you need to do it after your database is created together with an alter query. When you set a character set or a collation for a database, the same character set and collation will apply to the tables in the database as well, unless you specify otherwise. To make a database read-only, that is to disable all operations other than reading, you can issue an alter database query. You can also specify whether you want to use encryption, but encryption cannot be specified when creating a database. Instead, you would need to enable encryption to the configuration file, then configure encryption at the tablespace or table level, but that's a topic for another video. Finally, if you don't want to do any of that and you are using an SQL client, you can always create a database through the client. Just keep in mind that the client will still run a create database query, so it will be the same thing, just perhaps more simplified. So this is how to create a database in MySQL. I hope that this video was educational and useful. Share it with your friends if you have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.